Hello, you are welcome to question 6 of logarithm. We start solving questions involving logarithm. Okay, question 6 is an equation in logarithm. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. The question says, solve for the values of x in log base 10, 8x plus 1 minus log base 10, 2x plus 1 equals log base 10, x plus 2. How do we solve this? This can simply be solved by using logarithm laws or laws of logarithm. Okay, so solution. Now, when you look at the first part of it, okay, we have a minus here. Okay, so in logarithm, when we are subtracting, we divide. And so that is the law that we are going to use over here. So the first step is going to be log base 10. Then I will have 8x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, and that will be equal to log base 10 x plus 2. Okay, now because we have log base 10 over here, it means whatever we have here must be equal to this. Okay, so that's going to give us 8x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1, and that is equal to x plus 2. Okay, now with this we can do what we call cross multiplication. Okay, with cross multiplication we are going to have x 8x plus 1, and that will be equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Here we have to expand the right hand side. Okay, so we are going to have 8x plus 1, and that will be equal to 2x squared plus 4x plus x plus 2. We have to take this one to the other side. Okay, 8x plus 1 to the other side, and that is going to give us 2x squared plus, this is 5x, so 5x here, plus 2 minus 8x minus 1, and that will be equal to 0. Okay, this will give us 2x squared, 5x minus 8x will give us minus 3x, 2 minus 1 will give us plus 1, and that will be equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and so we need to factorize this quadratic equation to enable us find our x. And so I am going to factorize this way: 2s here, 2s here, and x over here. So I have to break the 2s squared into this. Then I will break the 1, 1, 1. Okay, I'm attaching the negative to it because I want to get the middle term. Okay, so how do I get the middle term? Okay, so after you have done this one, you multiply the 2 and the negative 1. That will give us negative 2x. That will give us minus x, and that will be negative 3x. Once the middle term is what? Correct, then it means your factorization is okay. Therefore, we are going to have 2x minus 1, then x minus 1, that is equal to 0. This implies 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore our s is equal to half. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore our s is equal to 1. Okay, so our s is half or 1. Thank you very much for your attention. We continue with the next question in the next lesson.